Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maxi. If you're new, karibu sana. And if you're family, thank you for tuning in for another episode. So today we are going to be doing something that deals with hair care. We are going to learn about regrowing our edges and maintaining them so that you don't lose them along the way. So stay tuned and let's get started. I myself am in the journey of still growing my edges. I want them more full, and this treatment that I'm going to show you is the one that I've been using since I lost my edges. So today we're going to talk about things that make us lose our edges. One is using hair gels. Many people use it to lay their edges and they forget to remove them at the end of the day. That damages your hair. Another thing is being plaited too tight around your hairline. That also damages your hair. So just tell your salonist not to touch those tiny hairs or the edges as we call them. So another thing might be hormones. Some women lose their edges and also lose their hair during breastfeeding. I don't know the myth that surrounds that, but it's something that has been said that happens. It happened to me, and yeah, you begin to regrow them. So some things can be avoided and some things cannot be avoided, like breastfeeding. So if you're able to avoid, let's avoid what you can avoid. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to regrow my edges. Already seen how I prepare my onion juice. That's the main ingredient that you're going to use in regrowing our edges. Onions contain sulfur, and sulfur contains keratin, which is a very important ingredient in helping hair growth. So you can also incorporate this as a treatment for your general hair growth, not just the edges but generally the hair. So what I do mostly is I take a cotton ball, I dip it in hot water or warm water, then I just rub on my edges, just remove any gel that I used to lay them during the day. The warm water also helps in opening the pores, so that when we apply this treatment, it's going to be incorporated in very well. So I'm going to take another dry one just to dry the excess water that I've gotten. Once that is out of the way, we're going to take our juice. So this is all that I got, which is more than enough. You can store it in a refrigerator. Then I'm going to take my cotton ball that is soaked in the onion, and then I'm just going to pat it in. After doing that, you can repeat this process like twice or thrice. The next important thing is massage. You want to massage this area slowly but carefully. If you do it in a circular motion, you'll make the hair tangle, so just massage it. Massaging helps the product to just sink in the pores. I'm going to allow you to sit for around 5 minutes. Then I'll rinse. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come in with cold water. This is just to close the pores and just wipe off the onion. Some people can't bear it, and this treatment is mostly done during the night or during the weekend. So if you don't mind the scent, you can sleep with it, especially if you're doing an overnight mask. But if you can't stand the smell, just wipe it off. Wiping off doesn't make it go away completely, but it just reduces the scent. Next, you're going to moisturize your edges. Just use any oil that you like to moisturize. You can also use an oil that has a strong scent, just to try and curb that onion scent. But if you don't mind the scent, just leave it at that and apply any oil like olive oil, castor oil, sunflower oil, any oil that works for you. So basically that's it for today. Yeah, you can actually use onion, as I told you before, to just do the whole treatment for your hair and you'll get the best results. Also remember that if you do something repeatedly, you're going to get results. If you do it once and then you leave it, then you're not going to see the result. Results are mostly seen after 2 weeks. So if you do it repeatedly for around 2 weeks, you're bound to see the result. So guys, it was nice again to talk to you, to show you something that I love doing, and hopefully it will be beneficial for you too. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice week, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.